Hi everyone, it's Crafty Mom with 3 sets of twins. I hope you're going to enjoy our channel today, and if you would subscribe, that would be wonderful, and hit the like button and the notification bell, and always remember to be kind to each other, and have a great day. This was one of my favorite projects that I did. I bought this red truck and I decided I didn't want it red, so I'm going to cover everything with painter's tape to actually figure out how not to get paint on everything else. But this was my favorite project. I saw one in a store and I loved it, but I didn't want to pay $30 or $40 for it. So I bought this truck half price at, I can't even remember where I bought it, but it was either Dollar General or maybe Hobby Lobby. I'm not real sure, but I didn't want to pay a lot for it because I knew I was going to paint it. So I'm trying to figure out what colors I'm going to use. I had some acrylic paint and I had 3 different colors. So first I am going to have to spray paint it white because I want the pink to show through. So I'm using just the flat white Rust-Oleum from Walmart's. So I spray painted it twice with the white. I have a little cardboard box that I got from Costco, and that way I can still spray it on the inside of my garage and not get things everywhere. So here I am outdoors because it was a nice day, and I'm spray painting it pink. And I wanted a pink truck so that I could use it year-round. So I think it'll be cute for Valentine's Day, along as Christmas, and in the spring. Maybe not so fall, but I guess you could use it in the fall. You could put some pumpkins in there. All right, there it is. I love this truck. I'm taking all the painter's tape off of it. Look how cute it is. I am loving it. I covered the headlights, the little wheel inside. I mean everything. I knew it took me a while, but I didn't care because if I had to hand paint it, it would take that long. And I don't like the look of a hand painted truck. I want the look of the smoothness. So it took a while to put it on, then take it off, but look how cute it is. Oh my God, I love it. So I got these different trees from the pink and white one. I think these came from Walmart. And Walmart had the 2 smaller ones like in a bag. So I think they're 2 for maybe $2. I'm not sure. And I'm going to put these lights all around the truck. I'm going to put all these cute little brush trees in there. I love it. I get really excited about my trucks. And you can hide the battery pack inside the truck. I think I hid it in between the trees so you really couldn't see it. I was trying to sort of hide the wires too, but sometimes that's hard to do. Look how cute that is. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Isn't it cute? And here it is in my foyer. I haven't really started putting Christmas stuff out. I'm just doing the DIY projects for Christmas. So it's just sitting on a little piece of white like cloth. But look how cute this is. I love it. I know you've heard that before, but I'm going to say it again. It is so cute. All right, DIY number 2. I have these little houses, of course, from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be making them into a Christmas little house. I have different pictures. I'm only doing one on this particular project, and the other 2 will be in my next video, because I wanted to get my pink truck out there. So I'm trying to decide what paper I'm going to use. And this paper, I think, came in a pack of all the different holidays. So I just pulled these out of the Christmas section. And I'm just going to trace the paper. It's like scrapbook paper that you could get at Hobby Lobby or Michael's or even Walmart's. And I'm just going to cut it to fit inside. It's still not going to fit inside, so you have to put it against there and try to figure out, you know, to cut it smaller to get it in there. I just go around the edges with my nail and just cut it down some more so it'll fit inside. And like I said, I'm only doing one in this project, but I will be doing more to come. I had to go out and buy some different accessories to put in them because I had some thoughts on it. And this one's just going to be simple. I'm not going to paint the wood on the sides, but for the next 1 or 2 I might paint the sides of it. Trying to get the glue stick off, which, you know how hard that can be. End up handing it to my daughter. She's going to hand it back. There, she hands it back to me. Thank you, Angelina. And I'm just going to put the glue onto the paper and then stick it in the box. And you could use these little boxes or house boxes for any of your crafts. You can use it for Christmas, you can use it for Valentine's Day, springtime. I didn't see them during the summer. I just finally saw them probably a month ago, so I grabbed a bunch of them. So I don't think they have them out year-round. Maybe they only have them at Christmas time. I'm going to use a little jingle bell garland and make a little wreath out of it. And then I'm going to glue it to the top of the house. And then I have these cute little trees that I got at Walmart's. I think I could have got them at Dollar Tree. I'm not sure. But they came 2 in a pack. And they were like ornaments for a tree. So I'm just cutting off the little strings, and then I'm going to glue them inside the box and make a little Christmas house for any sort of decorations that you could put in your 3-tier trays. You could just add it to one of your Christmas decorations too. I have these cute little silver deers that I got at Hobby Lobby for 50% off, and I'm going to glue them to the top of the little house. And then I have the bows that I got at Dollar Tree. Look how cute that is. That would look cute, like I said, in your 3-tier tray. Or in some of your setups for Christmas, like in your hallway. You can add it to any of the things that you want to add some cute little colors to. There it is. If you would please subscribe, I would love it. Hit the like button and the notification bell. And make this particular craft, which is pretty easy. It's probably a 5-minute craft. The next one is a little snowman that my daughter did because she loves to paint. And as you can see, she's using some acrylic paint, and she is going to give this little snowman some upgrade and pizzazz. She's got this pretty Bahama blue apple barrel paint. She's going to paint different parts of him. There's his little jacket. That's really cute. I love that color. Now she's got some, let's see, probably like a red. Oh no, it's a little bit of a coral, I guess. It's really pretty. And she's painting. She's good at this. I would be terrible. She paints inside the lines. She's got a lot of patience. She's getting the little berries on the hat. Oh my God, he's so cute. Look at him. She did a great job. Look how cute he is. And we have all of our little DIYs for Christmas for you. More to come. We have lots of ideas and projects to do, so stay tuned with us. If you would like, hit the subscribe button because we'd love to share more of our videos and projects with you. Hit the like button because that helps with the algorithms with YouTube, and also the notification bell. There's my truck. I love this truck. You know, sometimes you just do something and you love it. I love that it's pink and you can use it year round. How cute is that? Can't wait to get some of my Christmas decorations in my house. I'm hoping to do that this week. I'm an early starter, probably first week in November. Probably get my trees out. So stay tuned. I think I have some ornaments that we're going to make. So thank you for watching. Love you guys. Make sure you're kind to yourself and be kind to others, and have a wonderful day. Thank you for subscribing, and watch up for the next one. Take care. Bye.